I want you to pretend that you've got an essay question. You need to answer it right now, okay? This is going to help determine you getting into college. Now, you gotta remember, there's probably 10,000 other students that are gonna be applying to this very college, and they're gonna be answering the same question, all right? You ready for the pressure? You ready for the intensity?
I think I'm ready.
Describe your coolness in 3 words or less.
3 words or less.
Your coolness. All right, so pretend this is an essay question, okay? And you've got to respond to it, and you have to write about it right now, all right? Would you rather have $1 million or be famous, and why?
Probably, I mean, having $1 million, you could have, like, you could do a lot with it, but I think I would rather be famous so that other people could, like, see my impact, or that I can make more of an impact on people, because being a Christian, like, I want to stand out and I want to set a good example, so I think I'd rather be famous.
Okay, so if you were famous, you think that you could let other people see the way that you live, right? You hope that would inspire other people to, yeah, okay, I get it.
My personal coolness.
Your personal coolness.
I am cool.
Okay, we're gonna talk about some essay tips that you're gonna wanna know in the college admissions process. We'll get to that in a minute.
That's good. That's a good
I
segue.
am cool.
Now we're going to be going over essays. The essay is one of the most important parts about any application and any scholarship application. So we know why it's important to have a good essay. This is your opportunity to show who you are to the admissions board or the scholarship board. The most important part of the essay itself is the introduction. This is the hook where you get the admissions board or the scholarship board interested in who you are. This is the part where you draw them in to your story that you're telling them about yourself. You're gonna learn about brainstorming tips, what topics you should talk about within your essay. You wanna reveal to the admissions board or the scholarship board who you are as a person. This is where you set yourself apart from all the other applicants. What makes you awesome? What makes you unique? This is very important, and it's okay to brag about yourself. Admissions counselors want someone who is going to bring a different dynamic, something to offer to the university, which brings me into my next point. After you finish your essay, would you want to accept yourself into your college? Put yourself in the admissions officer's shoes, and you read this essay. Do you think you'd want to let someone into your college with that essay? You want to make the admissions counselor want you to come to their college. Make sure you read over your essay. Let your friends and your parents read over your essay. Ask them, is this boring or is this interesting? Think about when you're writing things for the essay. If you posted this on Facebook, would people laugh? You want to grab their attention. Which brings me to my last point. You want to make something seemingly normal to you seem extraordinary to someone else. For example, let's say you have a massive family and you are in charge of coordinating the family reunion. That takes a lot of skill and a lot of endurance to finish. Planning your family reunion might seem normal to you, but if you word it in the right way, use the right phrases, use the right hooks in your introduction, that's going to seem extraordinary to the college admissions board or the scholarship admissions board. The essay, like I said before, is one of the most important parts about the application process and the scholarship application process. This is what's going to set you apart. You're going to be actually writing a mock scholarship essay. You're going to be discussing this with your parents, with your peers, with your teachers, and hopefully some of your counselors. So prepare to write an awesome essay that's going to make you stand out.